Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your headset not detecting in your Windows 10 PC. So the first thing that you can do is to go to this speaker icon and click on it and make sure that is not muted or something like that. So just go and drag it to full, like this, to 100%. Now the next thing that you can do is again to go to this icon, right click and go to open sound settings. Now from here you go scroll down all the way down to sound control panel, and here make sure this is a default device, speakers or headphones, whichever you have. So click on this, go to properties, then here go to levels. Again, make sure everything is and it's not unmuted, because I know some people have that problem and they didn't know it's muted. Go here, go to this, disable all enhancements, click apply. Here we can try to change this. These settings. Then click OK, OK. That's it, just close. Close that window, and now we're gonna try another solution, which is to go to start and this PC, type in this PC. And now here right click on this, go to manage. Go to device manager. And now here we have to find something like sound, video and game controllers. Click on this one, expand. Then click on this, or you maybe have multiple sound drivers here. I have just one. So you maybe have like 3 or 5 of them. So right click on the one that you think is your headphones, or it says the name of your headphones. Right click on it, go to update driver, and go for this, the first one, to update automatically. And if it says you have the best driver, just go and close this. The next thing that you can try is to go here again and go to properties. Here go to driver, and here if the option is available, rollback driver, just click on this and see if it fixed the problem. If it's not fixed, then just proceed with the video to try another things. The another thing I suggest you to go disable it, to disable this device, and then go again right click and enable it and see if that works for all of your drivers. Because if you don't know which one is it, just try on all, try these settings on all. So the next thing that you can try is to download the audio drivers from manufacturer's site for your motherboard, specifically your motherboard PC. So you have to know your motherboard. How to search for your motherboard on your PC is to go to start and type in msinfo32. Like this, and go to this system information. And then when you enter here, go to system summary. And here baseband board manufacturer, you will see with what the number is for your motherboard. So I'm going to show you right now how to download specific drivers, audio drivers for your motherboard. Just go and open your favorite browser. Type in your manufacturer name and model. So for me, this is my motherboard. So I'm gonna go on official one. So just make sure that it's the correct one. Don't install anything that is, it's not from the official website, because you never know what you're downloading. And here make sure something is saying like support download and or drivers, something similar like this. So I'm gonna click on that one. And you have here different options. This is for ASRock. On other manufacturers maybe it's different. So go here and download. And here I'm gonna choose my operating system. And here, as we can see, Realtek high definition audio driver. This is the one that is recommended for me to download. I'm just gonna click on download. So as you can see, it's downloading now. And then I'm gonna search for the setup. There we go, setup. And now it's gonna install the Realtek audio driver for me. Now we're gonna go and click on next. So here we need to restart our PC. So just go and restart your PC. After you reinstall the Realtek, you can now try and see if your audio works. If it still does not work, there's one more thing that you can do, is to go again to here, to your this PC, manage. Device manager, and here go again to this, and just right click on this, and go uninstall device. Go uninstall. And now just restart your PC and it should be automatically reinstalled. Even if this didn't work, it's time to see and reinstall your Windows. It may be glitched out, or maybe something happened and it just doesn't work anymore. So the last thing that you can try is to just reinstall your Windows and see if that works. And that's it, pretty much. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like, a comment if this helped you, and see you in the next video. Subscribe and like for more. Bye.